Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to follow my steps and you will be good to go. First, get water and add wind with it to create wave. After that, add water and fire together and add it with wave. Now add wave, set it aside and get earth beside. Add wind with earth, add another wind, and then combine these two together. Once done, add surfer with it, add dream, get dust beside it, add earth with it, and you'll get planet. After that, add steam, add earth, add planet, then add both of these together. Then add fire with it, and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can get Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.